All right, chefs, this is the last step of our scone making tea time. And I don't know if that's the best. They're all so good, but I love whipped cream. If you know me, I love it. Easy to do. I have in this recipe, we called for a 1/4 cup, but you can make double, triple this recipe, not a problem. You want your cream to be cold. We're using 1 teaspoon of your sweetener. I'm using powdered sugar, but it could be honey, it could be maple syrup. You can always also sweeten to taste. And what we're gonna do here is incorporate air into this cream and make it fluff up while we disperse the fat into the water milky part, okay? So very important for my young chefs, when you are whisking something vigorously, both hands are working. One hand is holding the bowl so that bowl doesn't go anywhere, and the other one is whisking. So we're gonna make circular motions, and we're gonna whip this until the cream start to look like almost solid, like into mountain peaks here, and it sticks to my whisk. So I know then that we're ready. But there's something really important to pay attention. If you over whip your cream, you know what it turns into? Butter. And we don't want that for this experiment. So as soon as you see that it takes shape, that is sticking to, is not, you see it's not running from the whisk, you stop it there. Mine is still running, so I'm still going. And there we go. Yay! Whipped cream! Don't forget to taste.